Hi, and welcome to Architecture Answered, where I answer your architectural questions and queries regarding the South African construction industry. Today I'm going to be talking about a very interesting subject with regards to foundations, namely the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a basic concept by which the structural load applied by a wall into the earth through the foundation is distributed into the soil. If one were to only build the wall straight onto the soil, it would most certainly punch through and cause the entire structure to subside. If you sufficiently support the structure, you can instead redistribute this load to spread out and properly avoid any subsidence that might have been a problem previously. The rule of thirds states that for the thickness of the wall, let's say X, the entire thickness of the foundation shall also be X. And in order to distribute this load appropriately, the foundation must be at least X on either side, thus resulting in a complete dimension of 3 times the width of the wall, or the rule of thirds. It is important to note that there are minimum dimensions that these foundations will need to be. In South Africa, the entire width of the foundation for an external load-bearing wall may be no less than 600 millimeters. This diagram also shows how any loads that are traveling along the external and internal portions of the wall will deflect 45 degrees out and thus be distributed into the soil. One thing to be aware of is that although this portion does not technically do any work, it is uneconomical to exclude it from the foundation. Thus, you will always get a 1x3 foundation to support your wall, instead of a leaner trapezoidal shaped foundation. I hope this gave an indication of what the rule of thirds involves and how you might be able to use it for your structural planning in construction. Please, if you have any other questions regarding architecture or the South African construction industry, please do not hesitate to get in touch and ask so that we may answer it. Thank you.